Welcome to ignileforward. Hope you are doing best. In today's fast-paced world, time is often seen as a precious resource. Yet, how often do we find ourselves mindlessly scrolling through social media or binge-watching our favorite shows, only to realize that hours have slipped away? It's time to take a step back and reflect on the importance of not wasting our time. Think about it. Time is the one thing we can never get back. It's a finite resource that should be treasured, nurtured, and put to good use. So, let's explore the reasons why we should avoid wasting our time and how we can make the most of every precious moment. Reason number 1: personal growth. Every moment we spend aimlessly is a missed opportunity for personal development. Instead of idly watching others live their dreams on social media, let's focus on our own aspirations. Set goals, learn new skills, and invest time in activities that nourish our minds and souls. Reason number 2: achievement. Time wasted is potential unfulfilled. Imagine what we could accomplish if we used that time wisely. Whether it's working on a passion project, pursuing a new career, or dedicating time to a cause we believe in, every minute counts towards achieving our dreams. Reason number 3: relationships. Time spent with loved ones is priceless. It's in those moments that memories are made, bonds are strengthened, and connections are deepened. By avoiding time-wasting activities, we create space for meaningful interactions that nourish our relationships and bring us closer to those who matter most. Now that we understand the importance of not wasting our time, let's explore some practical tips to help us make the most of each day. 1. Prioritize. Identify the most important tasks and focus on them first. 2. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable steps. 3. Eliminate distractions. Minimize or remove anything that hinders your productivity. 4. Time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities to stay organized. 5. Take breaks. Regular breaks can actually enhance productivity and prevent burnout. 6. Learn to say no. Be selective about the commitments you make and protect your time. 7. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and avoid getting caught up in unnecessary worries. Remember, each day is a gift, and it's up to us how we choose to unwrap it. By valuing our time and making conscious choices, we can lead more fulfilling lives, achieve our goals, and nurture the relationships that matter most. So, let's make a promise to ourselves today. Let's embrace the power of time, seize every moment, and make it count. Together, we can create a future filled with purpose, achievement, and happiness. Start now. Don't waste your time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels. Thank you for watching.